Hello everyone. I'm here to give you a little demonstration on the new Victory sprayers that we bought for our classrooms. You'll see these popping up here in the next couple of weeks. There may be one per building, one per classroom, depending on what the situation is. But I wanted to go through what you get in the box, and then we're going to have some videos afterwards from the manufacturer to show you in a little more detail on how to use the gun. So when you open up the box, there'll be a bag, and in this bag we'll have the tank, the gun itself, a battery charger, the battery, the cord for the charger, and a bag of parts. Now these parts hopefully you won't need, but definitely keep it with the bag in case one of us has to come out and repair the gun. Then we'll have some extra parts. So the first thing you're going to do is take the battery, take it with the label side up, and slide it into the grooves on the sprayer. Next, the tank, and it'll click into place. And then this knob has a lock and unlock. You want to lock it in place. Some other features of this gun: there's an on and off switch at the top. On makes it shoot with the electrostatic charging, and that's important, as you'll see in the other videos. Off just won't do anything. There's a safety on and off, so if you're carrying it, you can't fire it until you take the safety out. Taking the container off, you unlock the switch, and you have to put your finger through this loop, pull the loop back, and the tank comes off. Putting it on, like I said before, it'll just snap into place, and then you lock it. So one of the other features of this gun are these different colored nozzles. So I have it set for green now, but you can change this by just turning to the different colors. And what they are is that'll give you different dry times on the liquid you're spraying. So white gives you much more distribution of the disinfectant, and it'll take a much longer time to dry. You may want to use that on the playgrounds when you're outside. You may want to change this to white, or if you have a box full of toys and you just want to spray them, you could change it to white. And you'll do that just by turning this nozzle and listening for the click. In this bag, there's a nozzle tool. This tool is not for turning this, even though it does it. But what it'll do is it'll also pop the nozzle out. We don't want to do that. We just want to click it into place every time. We don't want it coming out. So the tool is just for maintenance, and you probably won't need it. The next thing I want to do is fill the bottle. So this is the tank off the gun, of course, and I already have it filled with water. And what I usually do, there's two lines here, and it's probably hard to see, but I take it up to about this line, and that's 1 quart. And then on our disinfectant that everyone has, this is the lemon. You may have the mint, but today we're going to use the lemon. Just 1 pump the whole way down. Ugh. And now we're good to go. It does drip a little. So what you'll do when it's full, just put it on, lock, let it snap, lock it, and then you're ready to go. So it's as simple as that. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. We'll put my email up on the link too. But After you watch this video, please watch the other videos from the manufacturer, and it explains, like I said, in a little more detail of what the electrocharge does to the molecules coming out of here. And this gun has a metal strip right here. So when you grab it and you're spraying, you won't get shocked, but it's not really a shock. Like, you're not going to get electrocuted. It's more like when you step out of your car in the winter and you get a little tap. That's what it's like. But if you're holding onto this and aiming it, you'll be fine. They suggest you keep about 2 feet away from anything you're spraying, just to make sure that your coverage area is good. And that's really about it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me anytime or give me a call. Thank you.